Hello boys and girls, today is 31 October 2020 and it's about the General MG-345. Alright, I want to take you through the pictures I've taken of this model as I've had it since the 17th of October when I first started taking this thing apart. So here's the front of it, here's that end of it, the other end. It does have world voltage by moving that, remove any of the screw. There's the bottom, there's the back. There's the battery compartment, takes 10D batteries, right? Another view, right? Here's the, that's kind of a fuzzy picture, but sorry. And then here's the, got headphones and a microphone and stuff. I haven't figured that one out yet, but there's that. Now here, this only has one antenna. It shows you on the back that's for AM and that's for FM, okay? And in other pictures I've seen on the internet, this thing has two antennas. This particular model only has one antenna. That's the screws, how it comes apart. Just took a picture like that. The front comes off, okay? And it's pretty simple. That. There's a power supply, not much to see. It does have a fuse right there. It's 250 volts at 1 amp, okay? And the speaker's unplugged from the main front right there. Trying to measure the center woofer, or center passive radiator, which is 7 inches in diameter. A very odd and hard to come by size. This is 4 ohms, 15 watts, 6-inch general speaker. Here, see that nice and close? Alright. And of course the other one's the same thing. Now this is showing you that there is the center passive radiator, which is not there on this model as I got it. This is a close-up of the Piezo Tweeter, okay? And the door, that's the other side, right there, just like that. And that's the center picture, just because I can. And here's the here's the center radiator as I got it. Notice there's no surround or cone or anything there, and there wasn't anything on the inside. So evidently somebody's been inside this model before me because there was no debris inside the radio. Okay, and that's what it looks like underneath there. Okay, and then here's a flash picture I tried to take of the power supply, but you know there's a full weight bridge, your filter capacitor, and so on and so forth. Right. Here's a picture without the without a flash. Okay. And this is the underside. Now they separate. There's a particle board that separates the speaker compartment area from the main electronics area. Okay. This is the triple deck. It's a bit fuzzy. Oh well. This is the inside again. Now this is. I want to show. I'm going to bring this up to you, but. This only has one antenna. This is only manufactured to have one antenna. I'll show you a better picture of that in a moment. Okay. There is one antenna. It does come fully out and articulate and also goes back in. Okay. Here's a flash picture of the same thing. Again, see if I can show you the detail. This is only specifically manufactured for just one antenna, not two. The few pictures I've seen on the internet does show there's two, but as you can see, this is specifically designed to have just one antenna. This one doesn't do anything, but this one here does, as you can see. Okay, so that's what I wanted to point out there. This is the underside of the the main board. Okay, and then another picture, just overview of the whole thing. Okay. Here's a picture of where the power goes in right there, that old plug there, okay? And then this is very dirty. Very dirty. Okay, so there's the tuner, there's the rest of the board. It's just very dirty, okay? I don't know what kind of dirt that was, but I did take a garden hose to it. Here is the amp chip. It's a Toshiba TA7240P. And just to give you a quick glimpse, there's what I found is a 5.8 dual audio power amplifier, or it's 19 watt BTL, the balanced transformerless, okay? And you can read it, whoops, you can read more about that if you want, but you know, that's just kind of boring stuff, alright? So there's that. Let's see, going back to my pictures, okay, so there's the main power board designation, okay? This is, this takes a 9-volt 2400 CCW motor, takes 3 of them, okay? That's that one, that's the same thing, okay? And the third one, which is this one here, it's got 1 flat belt drive for each deck, and then lighter tires for the rest of the functions. Okay, here's all 3. Again, same kind of motor, same kind of thing, same kind of thing, okay? Just the only difference is this one here has the recording circuit on that circuit board, okay? Here are the grills removed, right? And then here we are at the repair shop getting a new woofer, center pressure radiator that they manufactured for me because they didn't have one. That's a 7-inch woofer. So you try and find a 7-inch anything, they just don't make them. They manufacture this, okay? Put that on. There's another picture of it. Here's a backside picture of it. Yes, it's just roughly, you know, put together, but it works. So that's the whole point. Okay, there it is installed. Here I'm just holding it inside the shop. A Freeman-Tuell in Dallas, Texas. There's the front of it installed. There is a picture of the audio circuit once again for those that are interested. Okay, another picture. Okay, and that's something else. All right, so just let's see here. Well, all right, yeah, that's good. All right, so there we go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom out real fast. Everything's real fast. 7 minutes. Wow. Okay. All right, let's move this down to where I can see. I'm using a different camera here. So here is the, let's see here, here's the main module, okay, the cassette deck, radio and all that, that's upside down, that's oh well, who cares, right, here, flip it around, and yeah, I did clean it, okay, so, anyway, that's what it looks like, okay, just 3 modules like that. Like this, like that. Okay, so get back to that in a little bit. Now, here is the main module, or the main front of the unit right there. And it looks like that, looks like this. Okay, there it is. And yeah, so okay. And then here is the whole reason why I got this thing out was I got a headlight. I want to show you that so I can put this in here. See, this is manufactured to only have 1 antenna, not 2. Okay, so this does pull out, you know, completely like that, and then, you know, articulates around. Okay, and then when you're done with it, you can put it all the way straight it up. Come on. Well. Okay, it's being, well, there we go, it's just tough, there we go, so now it's totally back inside, okay, but this one here, I don't know where you get another identical antenna like this to make this work, but there's no pushing up, there's no pushing down or pushing up on this, this won't come out. So if you can find another antenna exactly like this, you can make a dual antenna. It's already wired for, anyway. And then those 2 pins right there, those 2 lever pieces of metal, brush up against the thing to make antenna contact with the main board. Okay, I just want to show you that. And my next video, I'll have this thing back together and working. It already works, but I just want to show you the inside guts of it. Okay, so again, there's the back panel picture thing, okay, and hopefully I've shown you everything there is to know about this. This does have a particle board partition that separates the main electronics from the speaker compartment. Got that? Alright, so why they did that I don't know, but I'm going to leave it the way it is. Okay, so that's been it. Good day. Hope you enjoyed. I've had fun. Turn that off. Okay. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta go. Put it back together and work on other models that I have to do. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Good day. Bye-bye.